Today I'd like to show you how to input and save a frequency to the QYT KT8900D. First step would be to enter in the frequency that you want to save to the memory of the radio. In this case, the frequency that I want to save is 146,880. At this point, I need to set in, of course, the CT, CSS tone, power, offset, shift, the standard things that you need to do to set up a repeater frequency in your radio. Offset, menu item 47, we know that's going to be well, there it is, 600K kilohertz offset. Hit menu again to confirm. At this point, we need to scroll to 46, which would be our shift, our frequency shift. We're going to need a negative shift. Hit menu to scroll down, and then menu again to save it to the radio. Now we're going to go to menu option 13, CT CSS tone. Hit menu again, which will save it to 141.3 is the CT CSS tone that we need for this particular radio. Let's set the power. Power option is 3. Oh, we need to save this. Hit menu. Then we can hit 3. We can hit power. Let's drop this to low power. Hit menu again. Not much difference between the high power and low power on this radio. From what I understand, high power on VHF is around 25 watts. Low power is around 20 watts, somewhere around there. We are ready to save this to the memory. One thing to note, you can see our frequency shift, our negative shift right here. We're going to have to enter in the input frequency to whatever. We're going to have to enter in the input frequency here in 1 second, but first we need to save this to memory mode. Now we're in VFO mode, so let's go to menu, memory option is 44. We need to delete whatever is on channel 3. So we're going to go up to channel 45. We're going to hit delete, which is just moving the menu or the cursor down to channel 3 and then back up again. It deletes that channel. If you noticed, we lost the CH before the channel 3. That indicates that the channel is now free. We can go back down to 44 and you notice the CH is gone. So we're going to save this repeater to channel number 3. And how we do that is just hit menu, which drops the arrow down to number 3. Hit menu again. It saves it to channel 3. You see the CH before that. Indicates that a menu or a frequency has been saved to that channel. We can now exit. At this point, we need to type in the input frequency to this repeater. The input frequency to this repeater would be 146,280. Now we need to save that to memory number 3. And to do that, we'll hit menu again. We'll hit menu and then back up. Exit. That has now saved our input frequency to memory number 3. We can hit memory VFO, go to channel 3 where we saved it, and you'll notice that we have this little icon here which would indicate that we have the input frequency there. If you're saving a simplex frequency, you can skip that last step. It's not necessary to, of course, put an input frequency on a simplex frequency, so you can discard that last step there. At this point, you're done, and we have successfully saved a frequency to the QYT KT8900D.